All right, so I hope doing this isn't like frowned upon. I'm kind of like new at all the YouTube stuff, whatever. I thought though, but I could maybe help, a few people who are looking to watch some good movies, but you're sick and tired of looking up all the BS sites that just give you crap, or it's just so like, the crappy quality. But there's this one right here. I'm pretty sure if you've tried looking for free movies online, that you are familiar with 123 movies that probably pops up in your head. But this specific one, see the link is right there, so I'm gonna leave you with that right there. Um, this is a really good site. This is what I use. Every movie I look for, it's always in good quality. They have so far everything I've looked for. They have had on here, so I'm not too sure about like super duper independent films, but I wouldn't be surprised if they had those too. But so say okay, Straight Outta Compton. Um, One moment. I'm gonna go back to the main part of this. So it's gonna do something like this. There's gonna be some pop-ups. It's because they don't have proper firewalls. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not too tech savvy, but the pop-ups, don't worry about them. Just always click exit out, and I use Mirror 2. See, there's a pop-up right there. Just do that. Go to Mirror 2. Another one, which is kind of an inconvenience, I'm not gonna lie. And there's another one. Oh man, maybe I'm making this look bad. But once you get it open like this, and once it's all open on the screen, there's gonna be no more pop-ups, and it's always HD, always looks really good. I suggest you give it a try. Like I said, I hope this isn't frowned upon, giving out this sort of information, and I guess if it is, let's take it down. But hopefully I can help some people, kill some boredom, especially these crazy times. So try it out and let me know if it works good for you. Hopefully it does. Thanks for watching.